Welcome to Credit Josh YouTube channel. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh, Credit Josh that is. Everything about personal credit, how to fix, repair, expand your personal credit. I will show you how to do that. If you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. In this video, we have a special guest, Dimitri with Credit Repair Co. I've had him on several times in the past over the last couple of years. He's helped a lot of you guys. Today's video is how to remove bankruptcies from your personal credit reports. Okay, Dimitri is going to show you how to do that. It's free information he's giving out. Information will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out. But hear him out before you just click that and get that free PDF. He's helped myself, my wife, and several viewers on Credit Josh and Get Business Credit. So with all that being said, I'm going to hand it over to him, let him explain things, and then don't miss. We have so many series coming out right now. How to remove charge-offs, bankruptcies, collections, medical collections, student loans, all that. You don't want to miss, right? Dimitri, take it over.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Me and Josh been working on how to remove collection, charge-offs, student loans, late payments. And this video is about how to remove bankruptcy. I'm not going to talk about dispute with credit bureaus. I kind of want to get into a little deeper into the process and provide you with some expert level tactics that we use when it comes to fixing bankruptcies for our clients. So if you don't understand what I'm about to say here, or you maybe couldn't hear the name of the website or something, just reach out to us using the link below and I'll send you all my notes absolutely free. Okay, so this particular video is about 30 possible reasons to dispute the bankruptcy. But first, let's talk about the process and where the bankruptcy is being reported. Okay, so number one step that you want to do is sign up with Pacer.com. After that, you can contact LexisNexis and also request consumer disclosure report. So both of those agencies, they have your public records. So what you want to do, you want to get both of them and compare. Okay, you request a free copy. They should send it to you. So if your bankruptcy is reported with LexisNexis, you can dispute it directly with LexisNexis. You do not have to dispute it with credit bureaus. And you can dispute it with LexisNexis using any of these reasons if you find inaccuracy on the reporting, okay? So I'm not gonna go and discuss all these reasons here in the video, but if you do need this information, send us a message and I'll send it to you absolutely free. So once you dispute with LexisNexis, you can dispute your bankruptcy with credit bureau. Credit bureaus normally verified via LexisNexis, and if you remove it at the LexisNexis level, they're gonna hit the wall and remove it at the credit bureau level. Okay, so LexisNexis and Pacer, it's the next level where credit bureau goes to verify your personal information. Okay, normally, if the credit bureau doesn't want to get your BK removed, they send you a stall letter saying, hey, the information has been verified. So what you do, they normally say, we contacted the court and we verified that information. So sometimes what you can do is to actually dig out that information, that BK filing documents, and take a look where you filed the bankruptcy, which court. So you can send them a letter requesting the methods of verifications of your personal information. And the courts are really good at responding. It might take a while, but they will respond with something along the line that says, we do not verify any personal information. So with the next round of dispute with credit bureaus, you submit that copy of the letter from the court and mail it to credit bureaus and demand reinvestigation and deletion, because they pretty much just lied to you, okay? Now, if that doesn't work and you found some discrepancies in reporting, you actually found some mistakes in reporting, and like I said, I'm gonna give you 30 different reasons, 30 different things to look after that you can use when you file complaint with CFPB. CFPB is Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. So you can use any of those reasons if you find an inaccuracy in reporting, okay? And that works also as a backup plan. So those are the steps that we use to help you. If it sounds a little bit too complicated, don't worry. We can help you. But if you don't understand something, send us a message using the link below, and I'll send you this. I'll send you all the steps and all the reasons, so you can draft your own letters and do a little bit more research and save yourself some money. Okay, but that's our process. Expert level strategies when it comes to removing public records. Remember, if you work on your credit restoration, it's not you know, the steps I've described from 1 to 5 when it comes to removing decay. I forgot to mention there is step 0 in every single dispute process. There is step 0 that I did mention, but you want to remove as much of your personal information as possible at the credit bureau level. You want, they call it personal identifiers. That's how they connect the dots and find that this account belongs to you. So remove all old names, old addresses, employment, phone numbers, etc. So any consumer statements, remove it all. So you'll be surprised how many name variations each file has. You know, I had like probably around 30 different name variations with 20 different addresses. That's it. This is a golden nugget on how to remove decay. Thank you so much, Josh. I'll see you in the next video.
No problem. Yeah, you guys stay tuned. Again, the information will be, just click the, if you're on mobile phone, click the right below the video. It'll say like more, it will expand, and it will show you how to get that free PDF and his contact information if you need further help. With that being said, you guys take care. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, share the video out to your friends, family, may need help. Again, this is free information. As long as you put in the work yourself and apply it, and 9 times out of 10 it should work. If it doesn't and you need further help, or your file's a mess, you can reach out to Dimitri and his team at Credit Repair Co. His contact information will also be in the description below, the link about getting the free PDF. You guys stay tuned. We have a couple other videos. Right above here will be the playlist of all these new series of videos: how to remove chargebacks, collections, student loans, medical debt, all that. And we're going to be planning this month also a FICO 9 video that you guys don't want to miss. It's a big banger video that's going to be coming out that you don't want to miss. There's not a lot of information out there, but Dimitri's going to spill the beans on that here soon. All right, you guys take care. All right, bye-bye.